I thank you so much for lending your time. We're going to be talking today about care credit and consumer financing as it relates to you veterinarians putting out all of this great work and care for our animals. Talking about a multi-lender financing platform we think would be very beneficial to you when care credit or your backup lender doesn't approve pet owners for enough or not at all. Let's go ahead and get to it. I know you guys are busy. All right, so care credit. All right, they're backed by Synchrony Bank. They're tightening their underwriting criteria. Okay, um, Synchrony Bank, financing provider for a wide range of industries, as a reliable alternative lender. They've been there in the pinch for all of our large purchases. I know the big box stores, their dedicated credit cards are backed by Synchrony Bank. My gas card is backed by Synchrony Bank. They've been reliable for quite a few years. The issue is, right in step with the traditional lending institutions, Synchrony is tightening their underwriting criteria. They're not approving as many applications for credit as they used to. This can be attributed to a couple of things. Okay, a declining debt to income ratio uh, amongst the consumer spectrum, regardless of FICO score, and then of course the overall inflation spike. Has been a huge, huge caveat of that. Now, along with the decrease in approvals for new card holders, existing credit card holders, such as my 77-year-old mother, are losing access to the credit card altogether with no explanation. Mother went to use the credit card to get some dentistry work done, was able to get it done, 650 FICO score. She then went back about 4 to 5 months later to get more work done, went to swipe the card, come to find out Care Credit had removed access. Credit card canceled. No warning whatsoever. Same 650 FICO credit score. I think it even went up a couple of points. It's very bizarre. But imagine if that happened, but in your clinic in an emergency situation where a pet needs emergency care. And many of you have deployed an alternative financier in the event of care credit denials. However, reverting back to the reality that there's a tightening of the belt with regards to lending is concerned, having just one, two, or even three alternative lenders is not enough because in this consumer lending space, we've seen a lot of shifting with regards to even industries that lenders are willing to back purchases within. Lots of shifting going on in that direct consumer, direct to merchant lending space. Now, especially specific to your industry of caring for what is essentially a family member in a time of unforeseen need, most often, a person's FICO credit score should not be the determining factor on whether a family member is able to be treated. There's a dire need for a wider range of FICO credit scores to be approved for financing during these types of circumstances. And it's not just about affordability, it's also about a flexibility. You know, a flexibility that these consumers need these days. Disposable income has shrunk. There's a need to be able to compartmentalize high ticket purchases, especially the unforeseen or unexpected ones. So, our solution to combat these challenges involves a one application, multi lender platform that is tailored to the healthcare industry, including care for animals, that has not one or two or three options, but 16 different lenders, including Synchrony Bank, within them. When we speak of it being a waterfall platform, it means one application is set to Care Credit, for example. If Care Credit declines the pet owner, or even approves them but just for a particular amount, the application is then sent to the other 15 lenders within this platform one by one as they make the determinations. So it is one easy and convenient loan application that takes about 3 to 4 minutes to complete. Once the submit button is clicked, a soft pull credit check is conducted. And almost instant decision on that application will come back from multiple lenders. Typically, we'll see 5 to 7 lenders uh, come back with offers, and each one of those lenders will probably bring back multiple offers each. We've seen, I think, 4.99% is that prime APR that we've seen, interest rate that we've seen. Typically, we're seeing between 10 and 25%. Okay. Not much has to change about the way you do business. You still receive all of your money upfront and in full, and there's no risk as it pertains to chargebacks or the inability for your pet owners to pay back the lender. Okay, so your platform, this one application, 16 lender platform, full fledged co branded platform. It includes your dashboard, your full reporting, very simple to use and implement and get up and running. We have a full team here to help you support that journey very quick and seamless. So when your customer arrives and wants to get financing, they can do so in person with your medical assistant or they can be sent a shareable link to the application via text message or email. Okay. The platform has no monthly subscription fees associated with it. There is only a ridiculously affordable one time setup fee to get your platform onboarded. And this one time setup fee will be rebated. We'll show you exactly how that works. It'll be rebated and then some. There is a cost to your clinic to finance each transaction. However, we're going to show you how this transaction is built into the cost of the customer or to the customer for your services. Okay, it results to no more than a payment processing transaction fee, a high risk one. Okay, so that then makes the effective cost to integrate this platform $0 and 0 cents. Okay. Now we have two. Now we do have two credit-based programs within this platform. No risk, no chargebacks to you. However, there are also some other alternative flexible installment plan programs that you can include in your platform that are also available. But of course, with those come a bit of a risk with regards to having to wait for each monthly payment in order to be remitted the proceeds for your services. So one of the more important things about this platform in particular is the versatility, the broad range of lenders that are within the platform. And you're going to need more than one, two, or three options for your pet owners to make sure that no stone has been unturned with regards to being able to provide them with the most flexible payment options and ways to pay. Okay, while at the same time not compromising the receipt of your fees upfront and in full. So we would love to provide you with a more granular look at the financing programs and their terms by way of a no obligation, no cost proposal sent to you for your review. This is a no brainer platform, you guys, to add to your payment operations for your customers. It includes prime to subprime lenders that can approve applicants and pet owners with FICO scores as low as 500. If you've received this particular video in an email, simply reply to the email and we'll get that proposal out to you. Or just go ahead and email us at contact us at theemeraldequity.com or simply give us a call. We're at 951 364 3475. And I'll be glad to talk to you about it, answer all of your questions. And we thank you so much for your time. And we're thankful for all that you do for the care of all of our animals.